Welcome to the guided meditation session on the Conscious Mind Short Meditation channel. I'm Jordi, and it's my pleasure to accompany you on your journey towards inner peace and deep sleep. Today, I invite you to take a moment for yourself, a space where all the worries and busyness of the day can be set aside. This is your time, a moment to let go of worries and connect fully with the present. If you haven't already, please close your eyes and begin to sense the space around you. Feel the temperature of the air, the distant sounds, the gentle touch of your clothes on your skin. There's nothing else you need to do except to be here, now. Find a comfortable position. If you're lying in bed, allow your body to rest completely, feeling the mattress supporting you. If you prefer to sit, make sure your back is supported and relaxed. Let your body find its natural resting place. Now, we will take 3 deep breaths together. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, feeling the air filling your abdomen and chest. Exhale gently through your mouth, releasing any accumulated tension. Do this once more at your own pace, and feel how each exhale allows you to release more and more tension. One last time. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, imagine yourself letting go of any unnecessary worries or thoughts in this moment. Very good. With each breath, you connect more deeply with the present moment. Just breathe, feel, and let yourself flow. I'm here to accompany you. Now, allow yourself to focus on your breath. There's no need to change or control it. Just observe your natural breathing as it is. Feel the cool air entering through your nose, filling your lungs with peace. Then, notice the warm air as you exhale, carrying away any tension or worries. Next, we will perform a body scan from your feet to your head, helping to release any accumulated tension and bring you into a deeper state of relaxation. Begin with your feet. Bring your attention to them, noticing any sensations you may feel. Perhaps the contact with the sheets, the warmth, or any other feeling. As you exhale, imagine releasing all the tension in your feet, allowing them to become light and relaxed. Move your attention up to your shins and calves. Feel any tightness or fatigue that may exist. Let these muscles relax, allowing them to rest completely. Continue up to your knees and thighs. If you notice any stiffness or fatigue, inhale peace and exhale tension, allowing these areas to become soft and relaxed. Shift your attention to your hips and lower back. These are areas where we often hold a lot of pressure and tension. As you breathe, imagine your breath reaching this area, and as you exhale, release any existing pressure. Now, focus on your abdomen and chest. Observe how they gently rise and fall with each breath. Feel the tranquility in each heartbeat and every steady breath. Next, bring your attention to your shoulders and arms. Allow your shoulders to drop, releasing any tension they're holding. Feel your arms becoming heavy, as if they are sinking deeply into peace. Finally, focus on your neck and face. Relax your jaw, letting your mouth open slightly, if comfortable. Soften the muscles around your eyes and forehead, allowing any tension to fade away. Now, connect with your senses. Listen to the sounds around you without judging or reacting. Simply observe them as part of your environment. Feel the texture of the sheets on your skin, the warmth and softness they provide. Recognize that your body's weight is fully supported, feeling safe and cradled. If any thoughts or emotions arise, imagine them as clouds drifting across the sky. There's no need to cling to them or push them away. Just observe them and then gently return your focus to your breath. With each breath, you are delving deeper into a state of peace and stillness. Allow yourself to relax completely, knowing there's nothing you need to do but be present here in this moment. Now, let your mind guide you to a peaceful and safe place. A space inviting you to relax deeply. Imagine yourself standing on a beach at sunset. Feel the soft sand beneath your feet, each grain massaging your feet gently. The warm breeze brushes against your skin, carrying the salty scent of the sea. Listen to the gentle sounds of the waves lapping against the shore, like a natural melody lulling you into relaxation. Look up at the sky and see the vibrant yellows and soft pinks as the sun slowly sets on the horizon. Each last ray of sunlight touches your soul lightly, bringing feelings of peace and happiness. Or perhaps you prefer to imagine yourself in a forest under the moonlight. Feel the soft ground, fallen leaves beneath your feet, creating a comfortable carpet. Listen to the gentle whisper of the wind through the leaves. Creating a rustling sound like nature's whisper. The silver moonlight filters through the branches, casting shimmering patterns on the ground, bringing you a sense of wonder and tranquility. Whichever place you choose, allow this space to envelop you completely. Notice all the details, the colors, textures, sounds. This is your sanctuary, a space created just for you. Now, repeat these positive affirmations, letting each word become truth in your mind and body. I am at peace. My body relaxes more with each breath. Everything is all right in this moment. I allow myself to rest deeply. My mind is calm. I am surrounded by peace. I deserve deep and restorative sleep. I let go of all worries. Sleep comes to me naturally and easily. I am preparing to enter a deep and relaxing sleep. Let these affirmations sink deep into your soul, helping you feel peace and readiness for sleep. If any intrusive thoughts arise at this moment, don't worry. Observe them like gentle clouds drifting across the sky of your mind. You don't need to react or cling to them. Simply acknowledge their presence and let them pass, returning your focus to your breath and positive affirmations. Use these affirmations as an anchor, helping you stay grounded in a state of calm and relaxation. Whenever you feel distracted, gently remind yourself to return to your breath and these words. Finally, let's conclude this meditation and prepare for sleep. Bring your attention back to your heartbeat, feeling the safety and peace spreading throughout your body. Allow the silence to envelop you, knowing there's nothing more you need to do or say. This is the time to let yourself be immersed in tranquility, ready to embrace deep and restorative sleep. Feel your body becoming heavier, sinking deeper into rest. Each breath brings you closer to sleep. Trust that you are enveloped in peace and safety. Everything is all right, and you deserve this sleep. Now, let yourself drift into sleep, knowing that when you wake up, you will feel refreshed, restored, and ready for a new day.